Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. Today I am sharing with you all a gluten-free healthy breakfast option, which is Jowar Uttapam. Jowar is a good source of protein, controls blood sugar and has good amount of fiber. So let's begin with our recipe. Here I have taken 1 bowl of urad dal and 3 bowls of jowar flour. Now I am going to wash this urad dal with water and then soak it for 5 to 6 hours in water. As you can see here, I have soaked this urad dal for 5 to 6 hours and now I am going to make a paste of it. Now let us prepare our batter. In goes our 3 bowls of jowar flour and I will add water to make a nice consistency batter out of it. See, you can see the consistency of the batter. It is neither too flowing, neither too thick. Now let us prepare our batter. This is my urad dal grinded and now I will add the jowar mixture to the urad dal and mix them properly. I have taken a big bowl because I am going to let this batter ferment for 5 to 6 hours and it will raise in the volume. So take a big bowl or a big vessel to keep it aside to ferment. Now we will mix them well into a nice flowing consistency batter. These are some of the veggies which I am going to put on my uttapam. This is green chili, finely chopped onion, carrot, capsicum and tomato. This is salt to taste and we will need a pinch of sugar, and this is oil for greasing the tawa. So let's begin. So let us check on our batter. It has been 8 hours since I have kept it for fermentation. It has been nicely fermented. Now we are going to add a pinch of sugar, as I told you, and salt to taste, and just mix it well. And then now we will make our uttapams. Now I have kept the tawa on the flame. Now let us pour in some oil, and this is my first uttapam, so I am just going to brush this with a tissue paper. Pour in our batter. How much big or small you need it, just take that much of batter. Now I will pour in my vegetables on this. I will add some onions first. Then goes the carrots. Then we will put some finely chopped capsicum. You can take any veggies of your choice. Then goes the tomatoes. Then we will put some finely chopped green chili. You can use finely chopped coriander. I didn't have, so I didn't put coriander. Now let's cover it and keep it for 3 minutes and then we will see. I will pour in some drops of oil on the borders just to take care that they don't stick to my uttapam doesn't stick to the tawa. So now let's cover it again and wait. Here I am sharing with you, if you want to make mini uttapams, I have put 2 uttapams on one tawa. So here you can see nice jali on the uttapam. That means our batter is in a great consistency. Now let us just turn it over. And let us see our first uttapam. will wait 5 more minutes. Our mini uttapams are done. So now let us serve them on a plate and let us look at our normal uttapam. Yeah, it has been done. We will take it out in a platter. Here I have served the mini uttapams on a banana leaf with some tomato ketchup and some freshly grinded coconut coriander chutney. You can eat this uttapam with any of your favorite chutneys. So let us see when I dig into this yummy uttapam with some chutney. Wow, it really looks so delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Do give this recipe a thumbs up. Share this recipe with your friends and family, and do comment in the comment section below how was your trial. Jowar, as we all know, is a healthier option always. So keep showering your love. So it encourages me to experiment with new such recipes. Meet you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, bye and take care, friends.